Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad Trini style, easy method. Boil diced potatoes until tender, drain and cool. Mix with chopped celery, green onions, pickled cucumbers, and a tangy mayonnaise mustard dressing. Season with salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar. Add hot pepper sauce or chopped pimentos for heat, fold gently to keep texture, and serve with cassava or fried bake. Enjoy. Gather your staples: potatoes, mayo, mustard, vinegar, green onions, celery, pickled cucumbers, and hot pepper sauce. Chop ingredients uniformly so everything blends well and each bite is balanced. Measure mayo and mustard to taste to avoid overpowering the potatoes. Always season gradually and taste as you go. Keep extras like chopped pimentos nearby to adjust heat and color before chilling and serving. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Pick darn tough for a lifetime warranty, unmatched comfort, and long wear that survives kitchen messes and busy days. I wear them while cooking, and they keep my feet happy through long prep sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep it simple but thoughtful. Chill the potato salad at least 1 hour so flavors meld and texture firms up. Fold gently to preserve potato pieces and avoid a mashed result. Offer fried bake, grilled meats, or saltfish as serving partners to highlight Trini flavors. Adjust heat with a few drops of hot pepper sauce and finish with chives or pimentos for color and brightness before plating for guests.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.